There we go. So here we would transition to a little 2-foot long bridge, I guess you could say, and then would come down to here. Same thing. Our flats would transition to a 2-foot long, 3-foot wide little bridge. Would come to this point, and this would be where we stop, and then we'd start with a plank going all the way over to there. So it's like a 10-foot plank up to the tree, and then it transitioned to 8-foot planks to match up with the bridge swale and swale bridge, and then we'll put a gentle swale underneath all of that. Alright, so at this end we could see that it looks like we got some water that wants to flow this way, so we shouldn't impede that. So I think between these two sticks we're going to put a little bridge there, 3-foot wide, 2-foot long, 1x6s on top of some cross 1x6s. We'll bring these planks up to there, and on the other side we need to continue. But that's the issue. We got this tree here that's dead, it's slated to come out, so we need to somehow connect that line through there. Okay, so from this edge here, which is the edge of the double wide planks, over to that edge, I think we're just going to draw a straight line. May not be the best or the final, but just a straight line from way over there. Let's see. Where are we? Yep, from that corner all the way over to this corner here. We're just going to draw a straight line, and that's where we're going to lay our outside planks and our slats, and then an outside plank. So obviously that tree has to come out, but it has to dry in order to get a wood chipper or a stump grinder back here to get that out, but we can start planning for that. Alright, so this is high. This section is high. Right where my shadow is, right in here, it looks like the water is coming this way. So we're going to have to probably put another 2-foot long, 3-foot wide little bridge, and maybe like a little trench along here. Because you can see even up in here, we're picking up some water flow from higher to lower going this way. So we'll have to put a small swale trench, and then where my shadow is, we'll let it come across, and then this is kind of like the main flow down that way. Alright, so the corner of this one, we're trying to line up past that tree. Hard to see. Let's just zoom in more and see where we are. Alright, so this one here, we would want to have lined up here, but way in a distance over here is where, yeah, can't really tell. Yeah, the issue is that this is going to bow out and then come back. We'd like just to cut it straight this way. Let's see, yeah, I think this sticks right over there. So it'll go straight this way. The problem is on the other side of this tree. Yeah, way over here. This tree's going. This tree goes, this tree goes. There's a tree right behind it. And the path is actually at an angle way over here. So the path comes along these trees and then it has to cut this way, so we can't make it. We gotta give it a, we're shifting like 10-12 feet laterally, so it's gotta be a pretty gentle curve either way. We can't be making it too sharp. Alright, so this section here, this tree's gonna come out. I think this tree has to come out first, stump grind, and then we'll figure out the curve, how to make that transition, because nothing's coming in easily right now. So we have plenty of other parts that seem to fit in there, so we'll work on that.